it's not a mouse, nor is it a minion. That's right, it's math. Not just the kind of math you learn in school, but ordinary, everyday kind of math. Everyday math is easy to see, do, and talk about. It can happen anywhere and anytime, including at breakfast. What numbers are the clock hands pointing to? Which container holds more? What's this pattern made of? If I take one pot away, how many pots are left? You can start a math adventure anywhere. At the grocery store, go on a hunt for numbers. Let's hunt for a 6.
5, 3, 9, 9. There's the 6.
Switch from a number hunt to other games like a more or less game. Which one costs less?
That one!
That's right. Math is everywhere. There are endless ways to see, do, and talk math every.
This is Ashru, your maths teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe. So, dear student, today I will use some calculations, some tricks to make calculation easier. So, we will do the Vedic math for making a calculation easier for addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. So, let's start. I hope you will enjoy it.
Dear student, today we will do a few mathematical easier calculation, how to make calculation easier by use of a Vedic mathematics. So let's start it. Do mathematics with a feeling, with proper of understanding and practice. So here it is a Vedic mathematics. So introduction. Vedic mathematics is an ancient system of mathematics that was rediscovered by a Bharati Krishna Tirthaji between 1911 to 1918. The system was rediscovered from the ancient Sanskrit text early last century. So Vedic mathematics is used in the previous time also, in ancient time also. Now it is very popular nowadays. Every person is using Vedic mathematics calculation trick to make a calculation easy. And the next very important, if you learn how to do multiplication without using pen and paper, really it is fantastic. And if you will learn, this topic is very vast and you cannot learn this topic in one day. But yes, we can do a small efforts to understand this topic. And I hope definitely you will like it. If you will like it, we will go further with this. So let's start. What is a Vedic mathematics? World's largest mental math system. This Vedic mathematics, not even in India, otherwise most of the foreign countries are using this Vedic mathematics abacus, just to make calculation easier without use of pen and paper, mentally calculation. And this all formulas are based on 16 sutras. There are the different 16 sutras, 13 sub-sutras. And for systematic, simplified and unified, then the conventional system. Very easy. Once you understand the concept, it is very easy and you will remember this long term beneficial for this. And then it eradicates the math phobia, great interest toward the subject. If you are learning a very small trick how to do the calculation easily, then definitely you have an interest will be create yourself. Build and strengthen math concept, very important. Then it helps a person to solve a problem 10 to 15 times faster. 10 to 15 times faster you can give an answer. And it reduces burden also. Only you need to learn a table till 9. And it provides a one-line answer. It is a magical tool to reduce scratch work and finger counting, just mentally work. And that it increases a concentration and creativity also. It increases concentration and creativity. Then what are the benefits of this? Child doing well in mathematics or reasoning at very young stand a great chance of getting into a better career. If you are a good basic concept, then definitely you can do any problem in any of the standard. Then mathematics phobia also eradicated, and a successful child always paves a path for a great career and gives the parents immense pressure. It generates the interest of student or child towards mathematics and science. And also when you are doing a calculation within a 1 or 2 second or 2 minute, then you are able to better in a mathematics and science and reduce the dependency of children on calculator and computer, because most of the students, what they are doing, they are using calculator to calculate the calculations. What is the basics of Vedic mathematics? There are 16 sutras and 13 subsutras. So I am saying this is a very vast topic, so it need a lot of time, but yes, once you understood, very easy. So these are the name of Vedic sutras. See the magic. If you will check the time, within 5 seconds answer will be there. How? You can see that when the last digit is a multiple of 5, how we will do? 7, what is the successor of 7? 8. Then 7 multiply 8, 56. And 5 multiply 5, 25. What is the answer? 5, 6, 2. So one more example I will write. 6, 5 square. 6, what is the successor of 6? 7. 6, 7, 42. 5 multiply 5, 25. Answer is 4225. Now we can see that how fast we did this. So this is a concept when the last digit is 5 square. Then same way I will write 4 and this square. So what is the successor of 4? 5. 4 5 is 20 and 5 multiply 5, 25. So 20, 25 is the answer. Clear? Now I will tell about a multiplier. And the name of the topic is when two numbers are like this way. 93 minus 86. It means very close to 100. How we will solve this? The method is 93. 100. Subtract this one. 100 minus 93 is 7. And 100 minus 86 is 14. Clear? Then 14 multiplies 7, 98. After that, when we will subtract 93 and 14 like this way, 93 and 86. This is minus 7 and this is minus 14. When we will subtract this 93 minus 14, you will get 93 minus 14, you will get here 79. So what will be the answer? 7998. Once you understand, you can do it in mind also. You can do all calculation in mind also. I will repeat it again. For example, I will repeat the same question, 93 and 86. This is how much less than 100? Minus 7 and this is minus 14. What we will do? Multiply both. 14 multiply 7. 14 multiply 7 is 98. Clear? Then 93 minus 14. 93 minus 14, 79. So answer is 799. Clear? Now the next one. Next question, 87 multiply 93. So now 87, how much less than from 100? 13. And 93, how much less than? 7. So multiply both. 13 multiply 7, 91. 87 minus 7, 80. So 80912. Then come to a next one. Next is 47 multiply 44. Now it is nearest to 50. Nearest to 50. So 47. How much less than from? How much less than from? How much less than? 47. How much less than from? It is of 3 and 44 is of 7. So what we will do? What we will do? We have to multiply both. So you can solve it. 3 7 the 21, and when you will multiply this, then you will subtract 47 minus 7, it is 40. 40. So now the next is when base is 10. For example, 9 multiply 8. Direct method is also there. 9 multiply 8 is 72. But the next method is when base is 10. It means the number between 10 or less than 10. How we will do? This is minus 1 from 10 and this is minus 2. So how we will do? 9 multiply 8. How we will do? Here it is minus 1, minus 2. We will multiply both. 2 1 2. And then here we will put a line. And then after that 9 plus 2 we will add. 9 plus 2, that is 7. So what is the answer? 72. So this is also one approach. Next come to 53 multiply 57. So how we will do this? 53 multiply 57. So after 5 what is the number? 6. And 6 multiply with 5. 6 multiply 5 is 30. And 3 7 the 21. So this is the answer. So within 1 second or 2 seconds you can calculate. Next is 46 multiply 44. So after 4 which is the number? 5. 5 multiply with 4. 20. And 6 4 the 24. Then 31 multiply 39. After 3 which number? 4. 4 3 the 12. And 9 1 the 9. But if the digit are 2 and 2 4 digits, so answer also will come here like this way. So here we will write a 0. So same way this method is very simple, but make it sure this trick will applicable if suppose 11 multiply with 11. For example, 46 multiply with 48 and 52 multiply with 53. This is applicable if they are of same 11's multiple, 46 multiple, 52 multiple like this. Then it is applicable. Now I will tell you about subtraction. There are a different method for the subtraction. For subtraction, there are 3 methods. Step 1, complements. Step 2, matching number. And step 3, mismatching number. So there are 3 methods in Vedic math for the subtraction. The first is a complement, the second is matching number, and the third is mismatching number. Now what is a complement? So first of all I will tell about a complement. So what is a complement? Complement means complement of 0 is 10, complement of 1 is 9, complement of 2 is 8, complement of 3 is 7, complement of 4 is 6, complement of 5 is 5, complement of 6 is 4, 7 is 2, 3, 8 is 2 and 9 it is 1. So this is called a complement. It means if what is the complement of 0? What is the complement of 0? 10. Complement of 1? 9. Complement of 2? 8. Complement of 3? 7. Complement of 4? 6. Complement of 5? 5. Complement of 6? 4. Complement of 7? 3. Complement of 8? 2. Complement of 9? 1. So this is a complement. Okay. And then there is a subtraction also. There are 3 type of bases. Base 10, 100 and 1000. So now what we will do? First we will write then it's come to a matching number. Then next is a matching. The next is a matching number. Matching number, for example, if 9 minus 8, 1, it is direct. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. This is called a matching number. And then come to a mismatching number. Mismatching number. In mismatching number, this is a 3 minus 6, answer is minus 3. 7 minus 9, answer is minus 2. 5 minus 8, answer is minus 3. 3 minus 6, answer is minus 3. This is called a mismatching number. I will repeat it again. in a subtraction there are three methods. The step number 1 is complement, step number 2 is matching number, step number 3 is mismatching number. Now first is complement. I have explained complement. Then come to a matching. Matching is simple. The subtract of lower term from the bigger term, that is a matching. And mismatching, then this term is smaller and this term is greater, that is called a mismatching. So let's understand how to do. So here I will tell how to solve. So here I have the first question is 88 minus 9. How we can do? So this is a mismatching because this number is smaller, this is greater, and this is a matching. So how we will do? What is the complement of 9? We will write here complement of 9. Complement of 9, that is equal to 1. So here it will come 1. Okay, and from here we will subtract when this side, when right hand side is mismatching number and left hand side is matching number. So from this number we are subtracting 1. So 8 minus 1, 71. So this is the answer. So here complement of 9 is 1. We will add here 8 plus 1, 9, and then 8 here we will subtract 1. I will repeat it again. We have a 88 minus 9. What we will do? This is a mismatching number. This is a matching number. So when mismatching, we will write a complement of 9. Complement of 9 is 1, and we will add this one number and this one number. Here it will come 9, and after that here this one, whatever complement, we will subtract from it. 79 will be our answer. Next is 94 minus 6. So this is also mismatching, this is matching. What is the complement of 6? That is a 4. We will add both. 4 plus 4, 8. And from here we will subtract 1. Here it will come 88. 88 is the answer. And if it is 88 minus 4, this is a simple, only direct we can do. No mismatching or matching. Clear? Next come to 93 minus 7. So this is mismatching. What is the complement of 7? Complement of 7 is a 3. So we will add both. 3 plus 3, 6. Subtract from here 1. 86 will be answer. Same the various question you can see. Complement of 9 is a 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Subtract from here 47. 62 minus 8. Complement 8 of 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And then you can subtract 1 from here, 54. This is answer. So this is called, there are 3 steps in subtraction. Complement, matching and mismatching. So I hope you understood this. One more question we can take. 94 minus 46. So what we will do here? Complement of 4 is, complement of 6 is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. And subtract 1. And it will come 4. 48 is answer. So all the concepts are same. Then there is a matching or mismatching. So you can solve a different type of question. If more you practice, then it will be very easy. Now the next we will do a Japanese multiply trick. So I have first 12 multiply 3. How we will do this? So 12, we will plot a line. So here it is 1, I will plot here 1 line. Then 2, I will plot in some distance 2 line. Fine. Then there is a 13. Then here I will plot 1 line like this way, so that intersecting will be there. And then 3, I will plot here 3 line. 1 line, 2 line and 3 line. Clear? So now what we will do? We will find their points in intersecting. So here 1 point, here 2 point, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here 1, 2, 3. Fine. So how we will write an answer? Just understand how many lines are there, how many numbers are there. We will plot that many lines. And after that, if there is a 12, one line here and two line here. There is a 13, one line here and then one line here and three line are here. Fine. So here what is coming? How many intersecting point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 will come at last digit. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 in between. And here it is a 1, only one line. So 1. So 156 will be a answer. 156 will be answer. So it is interesting. Now the next I will tell 23 multiply 32. So 23, two lines first. Two line and then there are three line. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Then there are a three line. So here I will plot a three line. 1, 2, 3. And here it is a two line, then I will plot here two line, 1 and 2. Then come to a point. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can plot side by side. And then what will be your answer? Here it is a how many lines are there? How many lines are there? Here how many dots are there? 6. So we will write 6. Then come to a next one. Next example 23 and 32. So first I will plot here two line. One line, two line. Then three lines. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Then how many there are line? Three line. So here I will plot a three line. One line, two line, three line. And then how many number? 2. So I will write here 2 line. Clear? So now here how many intersecting here point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many here? Count the dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it will come 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here now it is 13. So what I will do? I will write 3 here and 1 will be here carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the answer. 736 is the answer. So same way you can do for the others also. You just need to plot a line. So this is called a Japanese method. This is called a Japanese multiply trick. Multiply trick. So I hope you liked it. Try to solve a different type of question whatever we did today and practice it. Definitely you will be perfect. So thank you so much.